Hey friend, I'm going to share with you how you can grow organically on TikTok. Most people struggle to grow on TikTok because they're not doing these 5 things that I'm going to be sharing in this video. And I know this because I specialize in helping brands grow on TikTok and create their short form video content. So I know exactly what you need to do to be able to grow your account. Oh, and stick around to the end because I'm going to be sharing a brand new feature that TikTok has just launched and is going to save you so much time when you're creating your TikTok videos. Okay, so let's hop over to the TikTok Creative Center and get into the TikTok tutorial. And if we go up here and hover over trends, you'll see hashtags. So click on that. Now, what is the benefit of hashtags? Why do you need to use hashtags in your TikTok videos? Well, the main benefit of using hashtags is that it's going to help your TikTok videos become more discoverable on TikTok. And that's a really powerful way with how you can grow your account organically. So let me just give you a quick example. I'm working with a travel brand at the moment. So I've been doing a lot of research, looking at holidays and travel videos on TikTok. TikTok knows this. So now it's showing me TikTok videos that relate to travel and are using hashtags that relate to travel. So can you see how by using the right hashtags, and I mean the right hashtags, I'm going to show you how you can do that, can really help you get more views on your TikTok videos? Okay. Now, what you can see on this page here is that the text in red is Australia. I'm from Australia, so I'm going to search via Australia, but you can search via any region around the world. And then you come down here and you can see all the top trending hashtags on TikTok right now. This is a gold mine of data because it's real insight from TikTok. It's not about you just going to TikTok, finding random hashtags. You can actually come here and see what is trending and what's going to give you the most views on TikTok. So you'll notice as well that we can search via the last 7 days, also last 30 days, 120 days. I always recommend the last 7 days. You want to get the most recent data. And by clicking this, we can see what is new to the top 100 hashtags on TikTok. So there's a big sporting event that's about to kick off in Australia. It's called State of Origin. So it makes sense that this hashtag is new to the top 100. So let's remove this. And another cool thing that you can do is sort by your industry. So let's just say that you work in financial services and you're helping people earn money and have a passive income. So we can actually see what is trending on TikTok for this type of industry. So let's come down here and let's pick one. Let's go have a look and see what details we can get from selecting this hashtag. So let's look at side hustle ideas. So click on the analytics here. Now you're taken to this page, which has so much good insight for you. So I just want to call out a few things. Check out this green text here. Likely to trend within the next 7 days. This means that this hashtag is really kicking off and would be really good to use in your videos if it made sense to your industry and what your TikTok video is about. So if we scroll down here as well, what I love about this page is that you can also see related videos. So these are popular TikTok videos that are using this hashtag, and it's a great way for you to get inspiration about your own TikTok videos. So you can scroll across here. Look how many there are. So good, so much inspiration for you. So let's just have a look at this video. So what did you think of that video? There's one thing I want to call out, and it's really important, and we're going to be talking a lot more about this later on in the video, but let's just watch the start again. So this is a really powerful video hook, how to get paid by Nike. And what you will also notice is that they included $3,000 per month, which is a big chunk of change. So including a powerful video hook is game changing for your TikTok videos. It's going to help you grow your account because it's a way that you can grab someone's attention and get them to watch your video. So I'll share some examples with you later on in the video. The next thing I would just want to call out about this is that you can see view more on TikTok. So let's click on this. And this is where you're actually directed back to TikTok, and you can see the hashtag here, and you can get inspiration from all the other top performing videos on TikTok. So if we have a look at this video here, which is video game side hustles, you might come up with a side hustle idea that's perfect for mums, or maybe it's side hustle ideas for teenagers. But ultimately, you want to be using these insights from TikTok to really help inspire your own content. You never want to copy, but you want to get inspiration as well so that you can also create a viral TikTok video. Okay, so let's hop back over here. And the next part I want you to go to on the Creative Center is hover over inspiration. Then I'd like you to select keyword insights. So you'll be taken to this page here. So what is a keyword? So a keyword is a word or a phrase that is really popular on TikTok. And it means that people are using this word to search for specific videos. So if we come down here, you can see that it's already pre-selected Australia, but you can select any region around the world. So make sure you do filter via the region that you want to include. And what you notice is that we can see the top 500 keywords here that are trending on TikTok. So 50% off, for free shipping, and so forth. But my favorite part about this is that you can not only search via your industry. So let's choose an industry. Let's maybe do e-com. But you can also have a visual representation of the keywords. So you can see that shop now is trending on TikTok. Also free shipping here. We can also see 20% off. So using a percentage also works really well on TikTok. So if we go down here, again, we're going to see some inspiration from the top performing videos that are including these keywords. So let's watch this video. So what did you notice? Shop now. And that's one of the keywords that are trending. So let's hop back over here and let's choose a keyword. So free shipping, because I really want to show you what details you get. So once you've clicked on details, you land on this page, which is for free shipping. So have a look here. You can see these are the types of keywords that brands or individuals are using on TikTok. And I think what's really important to note here is that even though they're all using free shipping as the main keyword, look how they're using that keyword. It's very different for each type of video. Okay, so if we scroll down here, what we'll notice is that these keyword examples are for the TikTok social media caption. So with this video here, they're using the TikTok caption, which is spend $80 and get free shipping, which is the keyword. So let's have a look. So this is the TikTok caption, and now let's watch the video. So you can do the exact same in your own TikTok videos. Do your research, find out what keywords make sense for your video, and then use the keywords in the social media description of your TikTok videos. You can also use the keywords as text on screen as well. So you might want to have like free shipping as your text on screen. You can also even say the keyword. So you can say that you are offering free shipping. But the whole point of this is to make sure that your TikTok videos are search friendly so that when people are searching for things like free shipping, that your TikTok video is showing up because you're using that keyword. And this is a really powerful way to grow organically on TikTok. The next part is my favorite. You're going to love this. So let's go over to Creative Tools and click on Script Generator. So let's move this. And basically what you can do here is create your own TikTok video script, and TikTok is going to help you. This product is so new that they're already asking for feedback. You can see over here. So let's just get rid of that. So let's select the industry. So let's go with beauty. And next, let's say the product name. So let's say we want to create a video all about shampoo. And then the product description, let's say it's shampoo for blonde hair. That's something I need to buy actually. So now we click on generate script. I'm excited to show you this. This is going to save you so much time. And remember when I was talking to you about the power of a video hook? Well, my friend, this is how you can get really powerful video hooks that are going to get people watching your videos. So here are the different script results. So we can see that there's 1, 2, and 3 scripts that TikTok has created for you so that you can create these videos on TikTok. So let me just move my head over here so that we can see. So the video hook, what is it? Want to get your blonde hair looking its best. This is a great, powerful video hook. It's asking a question. Then you can see that TikTok's even broken down the scene and has included a call to action. Try our shampoo today and see the difference for yourself. But what I really love about this tool is that TikTok even outlines the visuals in your TikTok video. So for example, the character tosses her blonde hair and smiles to the camera. And you can see that the scripts are different. So you can select which script you want to use for your TikTok video, or you can use all 3 TikTok scripts. Now, the next part I want to show you is advanced settings. So you can actually add keywords to your TikTok script. So let's write in free shipping and click on generate script. Oh, before I do, you can also choose the duration of your TikTok video. So let's just leave it as short and select generate script. And this is when the magic happens. So we can see that TikTok's generating the script for us. Now let's have a look at the scripts again. So just having a look at this first one, what do you notice? And the best part, free shipping on all orders. So TikTok has now added in that keyword. Can you just imagine by using this TikTok script generator, how much time you're going to save when you're creating videos? If you want to learn more tactics about how you can grow on TikTok, I've opened up the waitlist for the next TikTok for Business Masterclass. I had a lot of interest and a lot of people asking when the next masterclass was going to happen. So you can add yourself to the waitlist so that you don't miss out again. So you can visit this page, and I'll also leave a link below so that you can visit this page and add yourself to the waitlist. Thanks for sticking with me until the end, and I look forward to seeing you next time.